There is a guide on how you can see your saved passwords for your Google account. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step is open your Google account. After that, you have to click on your profile icon on the top right section of your screen. So I'm going to do that. After that, on this menu, you have to click on the Google account option, the first one, okay? Right below your email ID, you will see this option in a box in a rectangle that says Google account. So you have to click on that. After that, you have to click on the search bar and then you have to type in passwords. After that, you will see a lot of options. You have to click on the one that says password manager, not the one with just password, okay? You have to click on password manager. After that, you will see all your passwords here. Okay, as you can see, there are no passwords here because I do not have any passwords saved on this account. But let's just say you have multiple accounts like me. So what you're going to do is, if you want to see your passwords in other account, nothing. You just have to click on your profile icon again on the top right section of your screen. After that, click on this arrow that points down. Okay. After that, you will see all your email IDs here. So I'm going to click on the first one, for example. And there you go. As you can see, this ID has a lot of passwords. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down because I want to see the password of my Google accounts. And there you go. It says google.com. You have to click on this. And then you have to enter your screen lock. Okay, I have a fingerprint. If you have numeric password or a pattern, you have to enter that. Okay, whatever it is. After that, you will see these are all the accounts whose passwords are saved here. Okay, so let's just say I have to see the password of the first account. Okay, with 2 asterisks. So it's hidden right now, but to unhide the password, you have to click on this eye icon. Okay, I'm not going to do that for privacy reasons. But yes, that's it. That's how you see your Google account's password on Google.